team here at Douglas Lake Ranch, we're more than excited about bringing you up-to-date information via the web this season. From lake fishing reports, to fly patterns, to lake conditions, from ice off, right back to ice on. What we'll be doing is documenting from here at home base at Stony Lake Lodge and Mini Lake, but we'll also be adding constant up-to-date information from Salmon Lake, Wassley Lake, and all the other favorites. Well, as you can see from behind me, the lake is still iced over. Today's March 20th, and traditionally around the end of April is when we become ice-free here at Stony Lake, which can also give you a gauge of where the other lakes at the ranch are. So what we will be doing is we'll be keeping you up to date via the web, also via the phone, of where our lakes are at during this crucial ice-off period.